so we're back in the shop. We finished the rear subframe. Next step is we want to make that car a roller. So to make that car a roller, we got to pull apart these knuckles, get them cleaned up. We're going to pull all the arms off, which we won't be using besides the lower control arms. So we're going to have to clean those up, and I will also be bracing those. And then to go in place of those arms, we have some gktech fully adjustable heim joints, all the good stuff. And then we also have some new rear hubs, as well as obviously all brand new brakes and everything else. So let's get to pulling these apart and see what we got. All right, so let's get to tearing these apart. Got a special guest today. Got Mike behind the camera here.
How's it going, guys?
So Mike is the owner of that S14 you might have saw in the last video that sits out in front of my garage. It is a RB20. He's got RB20 in that. He's going to be building that in the future, so stay tuned for that one.
Yeah, we'll see how that one goes.
Yeah.
Big project.
Big project.
But let's get back to this one.
Yeah. All right, so we got them all pulled apart. Now we're gonna go at it with the old wire wheel, get these cleaned up real good, and then get them painted up. So let's do that.
Let's get it done.
Got these grounded down, bare metal. Next we're gonna weld in our brackets for our lower control arms here. So they go something like this. And something like this. Okay. So we're gonna get those welded up and then got the rear arms painted up. Looking pretty good. All braced up. All right, we're gonna press these rear lower control arm bushings out. To do that, we're gonna need a little heat. Get some heat going on there. All right, got her all heated up. Blast them through, maybe. Go. You got to cut out the inner sleeves. side here. Get those cut out.
Now, how warm are we talking? Like to the touch? Like warm, or like you barely want to be able to touch it, or?
I mean, I can't really touch it.
And it's hot?
Hot.
Okay, I got it.
So it's pretty warm.
Okay.
Now, bendable now?
Yep. A little malleable, that's what we're looking for.
Malleable. Good word.
Yep.
Good word. There you go.
Here we are. Sending it home, dude. Excellent job. That's 2 for 2. Now we just got to drive the pin in. Now we're gonna press in the lower ball joints, and then we can get back to the knuckles. Now we got these all cleaned up, down to bare metal. Got all that loose paint off. So we're gonna paint these up. Knuckles are all painted up. So while we wait for those to dry, we're gonna make our way back over to that side of the shop. All right, so next, we want to get this subframe in here. The only issue is we still have some bushing sleeves on there, so we'll work on getting those off. I got them on both sides, of course. So we'll work on getting those off, and then hopefully get this bad boy straight up in there. Just FYI, it does suck. It is not fun, but so we had to basically grind it and then pry it open with a punch chisel. So unfortunately, we get to do it again. So let's do it again, and I'll time lapse this one now that we got an idea of how to do it. subframe's in the car. We're gonna get this all bolted up and we can go from there. Now we're gonna do the rear arms. So they're pretty cool looking. All right, adjustable heims. Let's get them in there.
Let's get it done.
Yes, sir. Bearings pressed on our hubs. So now we're gonna put these onto our knuckles. All right, now we got all of our arms on. Let's get these knuckles back on.
Yeah, get them on.
Well, that's it. That'll do it for this video. So we got all the arms in, rear subframe, knuckles. Here's a little sample. So, all right, we'll see you in the next one. And
Dude, get me out of here. It's cold, brother. What?
Close
We're
it
still
up.
going, brother?
Close it up.